Hey guys, a very good evening to all my crypto believers. So, have you all been curious about what's happening in the market? Don't you worry, the CoinMonks got you covered. Okay, so before starting with the updates, let's quickly quote today's headlines. Bitcoin long term holder distribution begins. Watch out for the bears. Forte raises $725 million for blockchain gaming plans. Shiba Inu coming to India's first crypto unicorn with 3.5 million users. Here's why Dogecoin withdrawals are frozen on Binance. Let's start up with our refresh feed. Firstly, Bitcoin has started distributing its long-term holder distribution. If you don't want to lose a chance to hold this, make sure you don't miss this opportunity. Rest is the choice of person to person, but this inscription sounds like bonanza of an antique piece, isn't it? Let's have a look. Bitcoin, the world's largest cryptocurrency, has been trading sideways since hitting an all-time high of $69,000 earlier this week. Bitcoin is currently trading 1.75% lower than $63,823 with a market capitalization of $1.203 trillion as of press time. Long-term BTC holders have begun profit booking and distributing their coins for the first time in 6 months, according to some on-chain measurements. Will Clemente, a well-known crypto expert, describes the graph of long-term holder distribution. Long-term investors buy BTC at a low price and sell at a high price. The first red prints on LTH net position change in over 6 months have now arrived, indicating that bull market distribution has begun. The Bitcoin financing rate for long futures positions, on the other hand, has slowed across the board. This could be a sign of a future downturn in the bullish trend. Short-term holders decided to profit book on Friday, sending the BTC price to a low of $62,300, according to another prominent journalist, Colin Wu. The Securities and Exchange Commission of the US rejected VanEck's spot Bitcoin exchange traded fund on Friday, November 12. This ETF aims to track the spot BTC price fluctuation. The denial is based on the possibility of market manipulation in Bitcoin. The CBOE BZX exchange first filed the application for the VanEck spot Bitcoin ETF in March. The SEC of the US has stated that VanEck has not done enough to reassure investors that it can avoid fraudulent trading. The Bitcoin price has risen by 5% since the beginning of November and is up by nearly 10% on the monthly charts. While the charts suggest that long-term investors are profiting at this price, Plan B, the inventor of the stock-to-flow strategy, believes that the BTC price will reach $98K by the end of November. Moreover, blockchain games have been in the news lately. People are interested to play games and the future probably belongs to them. That's probably a prediction, but still, it's quite a good investment. So Forte has now invested $750 million for the same, and you can expect huge returns for them in the future. Let's have a look at what's getting cooked. Forte, a supplier of blockchain gaming solutions, revealed today that it has raised $725 million in its most recent fundraising round. Forte revealed that its most recent fundraiser helped the company earn more than $900 million for 2021. Though it did not disclose its current valuation, the company previously raised $185 million and was valued at $1 billion in a Series A fundraising round, according to the statement. C Capital and Cora Management, two well-known venture capital firms, lead the current Series B fundraising round. Big Bets, Overwolf, Play Studios, Warner Music Group, Z Ventures, Griffin Gaming Partners, Andreessen Horowitz, and Tiger Global are among the other contributors. Cosmos, Polygon Studios, Solana Ventures, and Animoca Brands, the business behind the famous Ethereum game, The Sandbox, were among the companies and projects that contributed to the investment round. Forte enables game developers to include blockchain features like NFTs and cryptocurrency transactions, as well as compliance elements like anti-money laundering and IP protection into their businesses. It also supports interoperability and multiple chains. Josh Williams, Forte's co-founder and CEO, stated that the gaming industry is at the vanguard of a new technology wave, and blockchain gaming will be even bigger than all the shift we've seen before, adding that Forte seeks to serve both large and small producers. The company has teamed up with 40 game developers who have combined 15 million gamers. Kongregate, a renowned web game site created in 2006, and Gallium Studios, an independent studio founded by Will Wright of SimCity fame, are two of Forte's most notable partners. Today's announcement follows a flurry of other gaming-related announcements. Steam has reportedly disavowed Cryptocurrencies and NFTs, while Discord, a popular gaming chat site, has received anger from gamers about prospective crypto integration. GameStop and Ubisoft appear to be working on crypto plans as well, though their efforts have sparked far less outrage. So moving forward towards our next segment, Shiba would be introduced to India by their own crypto exchange called CoinDCX with around 3.5 million users. People might or might not be excited about it, but it surely was a great move to introduce a famous meme coin to a huge audience. Let's hear more about this inscription. Shiba Inu, a popular meme-inspired cryptocurrency, has been listed on Indian cryptocurrency trading platform CoinDCX's retail-friendly platform. SHIB was previously exclusively available in trade-only mode on the professional-oriented CoinDCX Pro platform. The listing took place on Friday, November 12th, according to a tweet from CoinDCX. CoinDCX is aiming to sign up 50 million users in India, with over 3.5 million currently registered. After obtaining $90 million in a funding round sponsored by B Capital, a venture capital fund founded by Facebook co-founder Eduardo Saverin, CoinDCX became India's first unicorn cryptocurrency startup with a valuation of over $1 billion. Last month, India's oldest cryptocurrency trading site, ZebPay, featured SHIB, stating it motivated millions of people around the world to finance and fund a coin with a doggo's picture on it, according to Crypto Globe. This year, the price of Shiba Inu soared due to a retail trade craze centered on meme coins. With 2.8 million average monthly searches, SHIB is the third most Googled cryptocurrency so far this year. It momentarily eclipsed Ethereum, the second largest crypto asset by market capitalization in terms of trading volume. Despite its recent price fall, Johnny Liu, the CEO of famous cryptocurrency trading platform KuCoin, has stated that the meme-inspired cryptocurrency is worth holding over the long run. Retail investors, according to Liu, are extremely passionate about such tokens and are determined to drive values higher. Despite Shiba Inu's recent drop, Liu stated that he intends to hold the cryptocurrency as well as Bitcoin and Doge for the long term. According to him, BTC might operate as an inflation hedge, whereas meme tokens symbolize the strength of their communities. Notably, according to Delphi Digital, a digital asset research organization, Dogecoins or cryptocurrencies based on the popular Shiba Inu meme have traditionally been a pretty solid indication of an overheated market. So moving towards our last update for today, it was found that Binance has frozen the withdrawals for the Dogecoin. People were quite surprised due to this, and surely some self-proclaimed experts would have sensed a scam too. But there are some reasons. Let's dive into this one and find out. Withdrawals of Dogecoin have been halted on Binance, the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange. The exchange's motives have been questioned as a result of the freeze. However, it appears that the decision was made out of necessity. It's not the first time that Dogecoin investors have had issues storing their coins on exchanges and trading sites. At the height of the Doge rally, a similar situation arose with Robinhood, but it was quickly remedied. This time, though, it is Binance users who are facing issues with their Dogecoin holdings. While users wait for withdrawals to be authorized, here are some reasons Binance decided to put the freeze in place in the first place. On Thursday, Binance announced the withdrawal freeze in a blog post. It blamed the problem on problems with the Doge network following an upgrade. However, the glitches have had a negative impact on the crypto exchange's users. Aside from being unable to withdraw Dogecoin from the platform, some users appear to have been notified of a Doge debt. One person took to Reddit to detail the issues they were having with Binance. Apparently, Dogecoin withdrawals to various other wallets were initiated on their accounts, but the transactions were not completed by them. Binance appears to have resent Doge transactions that had become stuck due to insufficient network fees in the past and is now asking users to refund the Dogecoin to the exchange. The only issue currently is that the users have no Doge in their accounts to return. The freeze, along with the Doge debt, is causing problems for users who have been told that until they return the Doge, their accounts would be frozen indefinitely. How, on the other hand, do you refund coins that you don't have? Although it appears that this has only lately been a problem for crypto exchange consumers, it appears that it has been a problem for some time. The Dogecoin developer's Twitter account took to the site to clarify their side of the story, claiming that the issue may have happened because Binance did not follow their instructions. According to the evidence, the problem began a year ago when Binance contacted the developers about blocked transactions on their end. Binance had been informed by the developers that the transactions were likely stopped due to insufficient fees and that the crypto exchange should issue Zap wallet taxes when resending these transactions. They never heard back from Binance about whether or not the advice was followed. Now, a year later, the Dojo network's most recent upgrade has been successfully deployed, lowering the transaction's minimum charge. Because the minimum fee was low enough, these erroneous transactions were relayed successfully after Binance switched to the current version. The developers then offered a remedy to other providers who may be experiencing the same issue. Dogecoin withdrawals on Binance are still stuck. The exchange, on the other hand, is working with the Dojo developers to remedy the problem as soon as possible. We would now wind up with the assessment for today evening and meet you all tomorrow with even more interesting stuff. Until then, you may consider joining our Telegram channel for free crypto signals. Visit our blog linked below for guides, reviews and tutorials, and subscribe to the channel and get daily updates about the crypto market. Lastly, with this little favor of CoinMonks, we hope you stay updated. Thanks for watching and have a nice day ahead.